Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta rose sauce, easy method. Start by heating olive oil, then sauté garlic until fragrant and add crushed tomatoes. Stir in cream and fresh basil, simmer gently to meld flavors into a silky texture. Season with salt and pepper, then toss with freshly cooked pasta and a splash of pasta water to bind the sauce perfectly. Gather your ingredients and measure them before you begin for a smooth cooking flow. Use 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, 1 can crushed tomatoes, ½ cup heavy cream, and a handful of torn basil leaves. Keep salt and pepper within reach, and have grated Parmesan nearby if you like extra richness. Freshly cooked pasta should be hot when you combine to help the sauce cling easily. If you are finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying floors effortless so you can focus on cooking. It zips around while your sauce simmers, and it feels like a kitchen assistant with wheels. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Heat oil on medium-low and gently cook garlic to release fragrance without browning. Add crushed tomatoes, simmer for 10 minutes, then stir in cream and simmer until the sauce is glossy and slightly reduced. Tear in basil at the end to preserve brightness, then combine with drained pasta, adding a few tablespoons of pasta water to achieve perfect coating. Serve hot with a sprinkle of Parmesan and extra basil for color.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.